Let's talk about Helldivers. Update not installing. Fix new patch in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. Here, not fellow Helldiver, we're here to cut through the enemy lanes of technical issues and get you back into the fray. In this video, we'll explore various troubleshooting tips and proven solutions to fix your Helldivers. The update installation problems, ensuring you can spread manage democracy once more.
First up, a classic gaming fix verifying the integrity of your game files. Sometimes during a patch download, files can get corrupted or go missing, causing the update to fail. Head over to Steam, right-click on Helldivers, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and hit the Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then magically replace any broken files, hopefully getting that update unstuck.
If verifying files didn't work, the next step is often to clear your Steam download cache. Think of it like a temporary storage area that can sometimes get jammed up with old data. Go to Steam Settings, then Downloads, and you will see the option to clear download cache. After doing this, you'll need to log back into Steam, but it often resolves stubborn download issues. It might sound simple, but sometimes Windows permissions can block an update from fully installing. Try closing Steam completely, then right-click on the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This grants Steam the necessary elevated permissions to make changes to game files and folders. Give the update another try after launching Steam. This way, you might be surprised how often this works. Don't overlook the basics. Helldivers. Ensure you have ample free disk space on the drive where Helldivers is installed. Updates often require more than just the patch size itself. Additionally, temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall software could resolve conflicts. Sometimes these programs mistakenly flag parts of the update as malicious, preventing proper installation.